What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rafa, S1K Rafa here again. Thanks so much for tuning in to another of my crazy unintentional videos here on YouTube. I'm still grinding, I'm still going at it, but it is currently about 7:50 a.m. Gotta meet up with the boy Caleb and homie Manny. We're gonna do a quick photo shoot. I don't know if it's photos or videos, but Caleb invited me out to do a little quick shoot with him, and then Manny is just a good old friend of mine, so they just have it that they know each other. They work together at Porsche. But yeah, I'm gonna meet up with them here in a few minutes. It is super cold outside. This is not my type of weather to ride in, but anything for the photos, you know, or videos, whatever it is. Stay tuned. Let me ride up there. It's gonna be windy and cold, so I'm gonna just start vlogging till I get there. Man, she is gorgeous. I love my bike. I love it. I just love it. I do want to get the new S1000 RR though. I'm tempted, but you know, gotta be smart right now. Gotta be smart. Yo, it's so cold, man, and my visor's foggy. It's early in the morning. There's no cars on the highway. Oh my God, I am freezing. Oh my God. It's a mindset. It's gonna be cold. Oh my God, tucked in. Oh, I'm tucked in at 117. What the fuck? Yeah, easy on the turn. Good morning, Dallas. Good morning. But I thought I was waving at him. Not even gonna lie, bro. My balls are freezing. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it PG here, but fuck, I'm fucking cold. That's exactly how I lost my camera in Miami. I guess the vibration, the jumps of the road, you know, all that stuff, it just causes it to like vibrate. I'm about to put this camera up. I don't want to lose this one. This is a brand new one. People that don't like bikes, for it to be this time in the morning, they just hate that noise. Like there's a couple apartments in downtown, I bet you I just woke some folks up right now, I guarantee you that. I think they're gonna be over here. Yeah, that's them over there. Yo, that's them. What up, guys? What's up, bro? Good to see you, man. What's up, bro? Come on, bro. Long time. What's up, homie? Damn. But it is cold, man. Like, as soon as I hopped on it right now, I was like, oh, man, I was cold. Bro, I texted him, I was like, I'm going to let the sunlight come out a little bit. And it didn't make no difference. No difference, right? Nothing, bro. Nothing. What's the plan? We'll just take off into the rolling shots. Got it. Oh, that's clean. Okay. I'm down for that.
Probably to the top of your truck to snap. Okay.
That'd be badass. Yeah.
Okay, so real quick, up and down, how many times? I mean, 2-3 times?
Yeah. I mean, this is really short. Like, I make a U-turn down there. Like, okay. Yeah. And then right now it's lonely, so it's good. It's perfect.
And you want to do the tunnel? Yeah, we'll do the tunnel, and then we'll go down.
All right. Let's get it. Guys, I literally do this for y'all. Like, look at this. This is like my passion, right? I'm cold. I'm starting to get hungry now. But I'm here because I love it. I love doing this. I love putting out the content for y'all. It's worth it, you know? Worth every second. Worth every second. Look at Caleb. Man, he's fucking strapped down, bro. Bro, this is savage, man. Caleb is a savage, just strapped down in the back of the truck. Bro, I'm always thinking like, okay, let's just suppose, right? It's not gonna happen, but let's just suppose, you know, like, he goes over a bump, you know, Caleb falls down. Like, let's just suppose, right? Would it, okay, since he's strapped down, wouldn't it be that, you know, like, homeboy, man, it would just drag the fuck out of Caleb throughout the road? Or maybe the cord is not long enough, right? I don't know, man. I'm just trying to keep my mind entertained because of the cold. Oh, Caleb's cold, I could tell. I could tell, man. We had no traffic right now, and out of nowhere, we had no traffic at all, and right now it's like, man, I can't even talk because it's so cold. My tongue's getting like, oh shit, a Lambo. Damn. Holy shit. Oh man. Fucking oh man, bro, you're risking it all up there, bro. Oh man, that's hilarious, man. Quick shot right here with beautiful downtown Dallas in the background. Once again, can't ever do too much of Dallas, but we should be good with these shots that we just got. There should be plenty. We're heading toward like downtown area, get some of the buildings in the back. So far from the videos I've been uploading here on YouTube, I know on Instagram I did ask if I should do some DIYs, you know, in my garage here and there. I did finally get me a mask that I'm gonna wear to not show you guys my beautiful face. I mean, I don't know. You guys tell me what y'all want to see. Do y'all want to see like reviews? I mean, I can get a couple of things. I know I got to do my cardio. Like I can review the Instas, like stuff like that. You know, I can do some reviews like that. Or you guys want to see more like just of the street stuff? What do y'all want to see? Obviously, right now it's not bike season, so you guys tell me, what do you want to see? What do you not want to see? What do you like? What do you dislike? You know, it's all about, my God, look at the big old freaking building. The funny thing about it is that when you're recording out here in the streets, people just kind of look at you, you know? They just look at you and they're like, they probably think we're stupid and crazy or something. You know, we can let them judge. It's all good. It's a hobby. It's a lifestyle, mother. Yeah, but just comment down below, what do you guys want to see more of? Do y'all miss Mess today in this video? I know he's been in every single video so far. Like, did y'all miss him today, you know? Yes, no. If if y'all did, comment down below. Mess is fast. You know, on his video, he said to comment down below, Rafa, slow. You know, Papa, come on, man. I think Manny knows downtown better than I do. I would have never had an idea to turn this way. But I need to get my stoppies right, and I need to get my wheelies right. The wheelies especially, because I look like a bitch when I wheelie, bro. I mean, I can hold that thing up in the air for like 0.00005 seconds, bro. It's absolutely ridiculous. But they're getting there, you know. I've been changing my body position. It's a completely different thing saying it than doing it, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, I did have this idea. Should I do like small giveaways on my videos? I don't know. It could be anything, you know. It could be, I mean, it could be money. It could be some of my stickers. Could be some of my shirts, some of my hoodies, anything like that. But like maybe like do one giveaway in each one of my videos. Somewhere in the video I'll put a hint. If you find the hint, then I guess you can like either comment it down below or hit me up on IG and I'll see your message. I don't know, something, but we can probably talk about it. You know, y'all can give me some ideas too. But it'll be cool, you know, giving away something in every single video. Get you guys more engaged, you know, more than, I mean, you guys already are, obviously. But you're trying to watch the video, you know, try to find the, like, Blue's Clues, you know what I'm saying? Like, what? Bro, the bike's keeping me warm, I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe like if one day I get to the point that I have like multiple bikes, you know, like some of the big guys out there. Honestly, bro, if you got the money and you got the bikes, it's like 650 Eve, you know, like it gives away the bills. But other than that, I mean, it still gets the people engaged, you know, like involved. If I had the money, I would definitely give you guys the opportunity to win some bikes, you know. That'd be kind of cool. I know some of you guys were kind of asking me about MotoGP from one of my previous videos. I mean, me and Mess are going to be there, you know. I know more guys are showing up, but me and Mess are going to be there. We're going to be with the Dainese team, Dainese Dallas. You know, we're going to have Carlos, Stacy, you know, the guys from the store. Everybody's going to be there inside the balloon inflatable tent. I don't know what it's, I don't know the actual name for it, but it's like a tent. It's a big old, like a bouncy house. It's huge and black. Doesn't it sound right? Wait, whoa. All right, before YouTube starts eating me down here, like, man, it's a big and black tent. That's what I meant to say. Don't get me like twisted up in here now. Yeah, so we're gonna be there. We're gonna be at the tent. We gotta look up the schedules for the races, practice times and everything, and we'll be posting on Instagram. You know, you guys can come by the store at the track, and me and Mess are gonna be there. You know, you guys can say what's up, buy some merch if y'all want, buy a helmet if y'all want, you know. Just tell them your boy S1K Rafa sent you, and they'll take care of you. We got the San Diego store opening here real soon. Instagram page was already up, which is pretty amazing. You know, these guys are moving super fast. I'll put the page here down on the screen, and you guys go give it a follow. Dainese San Diego coming soon, baby. 2023, cannot wait. It's gonna be legit. And then obviously when the grand opening happens, we'll keep you guys posted, and me and Mez will probably be flying out there and getting some, we'll probably rent some bikes. I was trying to rent a bike out there, but yeah, for some certain circumstances I cannot rent a bike. I know Mez is probably going to comment down below why I couldn't rent a bike, but you know, we'll just keep that out of the blue for now. All right, we just parked just to kind of unstrap Caleb, and we're heading back to the main spot. We did meet this gentleman here. Have a good day, sir. He was telling us to move, but we told him we were just unstrapping. You know, it's no big deal. I did give him one of my stickers. He said he'll follow me. Anyways, yeah, he came outside. He was like, hey, can you guys move the truck? I'm gonna need you guys to move. But obviously, you know, we're not breaking any rules or anything. We're pretty much just unstrapping Caleb. It was a pleasure handing out another video for y'all. I promise they'll keep coming. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna cut out the video here. We did a little bit of recording, we did a little bit of everything. We got one last thing going on, but I think my camera's probably about to die. I'm just gonna cut the video here. Let me know what you guys think so far. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. I do want to know if y'all want me to drop twice a week or not. Other than that, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched this far, I just want to tell you that I love you and I miss you. Oh no. And I just want to what? No. Yeah, if you watched the video this far, guys, I appreciate it. You know, it takes time to do all of this, the editing, all this stuff, the camera and stuff like that. But I mean, every single one of you matter. You know, every like, every subscriber, every follower on the gram, everything, bro. It all adds up. It's a small Nick of Sam, or Nick of Sam. What's Nick and Sam's? I'm probably hungry. That's why. It's a small nick of sand, and it just keeps adding up. And it feels amazing, you know, to know that a person like myself can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So it's just a matter of putting yourself in the position. But this is where I'm gonna cut it, guys. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for subscribing. If you haven't, please do so. Like the video or dislike it. No, don't dislike it. Just give me some likes. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Your boy S1K Rava signing out. Until the next video, ride safe out there. Make smart decisions, peeps. See ya. Peace. You have a spare tire?
Yeah, I think so. I think it has thread.
My camera recording or no?
Yeah, this is recording. The battery's low.
It is?
Yeah.
Damn. I put a new battery on it.
Limp it to the gas station.